pretty compelling that it's more lethal as
Hello,
well.
guys.
So
This
even
is
variants of the one that's
Adebayo
emerging now
Adesina,
accelerating across the U.S. The
your
exact time to
top
identify.
flight immigration attorney coming to you from Chicago, Illinois. This is my first video ever, and it is my first of many. Today, I am here to talk to you about the new U.S. Citizenship Act introduced by the Biden administration. The U.S. Citizenship Act was introduced in the Senate by Senator Menendez and in the House by Representative Linda Chavez. The U.S. Citizenship Act provides a 8-year pathway for 21 million undocumented immigrants to get citizenship. Now, I like to call this this bill proposal, Let My People Go, because it covers everybody and their mama, so to speak. Now, as you can tell, this video is for informational purposes only. Please smash the like, hit the subscribe button if you want notices on more videos. This video is not for legal advice, for informational research purposes only. Now, moving on. The U.S. Citizenship Act provides an 8-year pathway for 21 million undocumented immigrants. And basically, it is broken up into, for now, let me say, four groups. The first group is the DACA and TPS holders. The DACA and TPS holders, it provides an automatic green card for them and a 3-year pathway to citizenship. So if you're a DACA or a TPS holder under the U.S. Citizenship Act, you get an automatic green card, and within 3 years of holding the green card, you can then apply for citizenship. It also replaces the word alien from the immigration laws lexicon and replaces it with non-citizen. It replaces the word alien with non-citizen. If you ask me, all that is semantics. Who cares what we're called as long as we can become citizens at some point? But yeah, that's in the bill. The bill is effective. I guess is effective January 1, 2021. So I'm guessing that would mean that as long as you were here in the United States by January 1, 2021, and you meet all the other requirements, then you qualify. Moving on, you have to be here from January 1, 2021 to date. That is to the dates that the temporary protected individual, I believe the status will be called, is issued. So if you apply for this benefit on January 1, you have to remain in the United States and satisfy all the other requirements continuously until the date that the green card is issued. But now the green card would be called the temporary protected. Don't quote me on that. I'll make another video for that. TPI. I can't remember what it stands for now. Moving on, one of the requirements is that you must pass a background check, a federal background check. You must have the IDs to adjust your status, which primarily are your passport and I-94. Your passport, everybody knows what a passport is, and if you don't, I suggest you Google it. Your I-94 is the document that is issued to you by the border and immigration, I believe ICE, when you are crossing into or out of the U.S. border as an immigrant. So this is it's usually a white cardboard that is stamped with your entry and departure dates. So you need your passport and I-94. You also need proof of continuous presence in the United States. So what does that mean? Proof of continuous presence means that you have been in the United States from the date that you entered and you did not leave for an extended period of time, and you can prove this. The extended period of time in this case is considered to be 120 days. 120 days. So from whenever you got in, you came into the United States and you did not leave for 120 days continuously, that you should be able to prove that you were here you should be able to establish the proof of continuous presence. Now, what do you use to establish a proof of continuous presence? You can use your lease documents, like your school registration documents. You can use your phone records. You can use your mortgage if you bought a property. Those type of properties that demonstrate that you were here in the United States and you were paying a monthly bill continuously for a period of time from the time that you were here until the present time. Let's move on. Some of the documents that you will need are, your school ID. That's for your IDs. Your school ID, military ID, states issued IDs. You need to pay, one of the requirements would be that you would need to pay a fee, which would basically be determined when the bill is finalized and signed into law. We don't know what that is yet, but it's a good bet to anticipate that there will be a fee. One of the requirements is also that you would have to pay your taxes from the time that you arrived and you began working in the United States till the time that you apply for this benefit. Who is excluded? Who is excluded from this law? The bill is not available to green card holders. So it's not available to green card holders because you already have a green card. So what's the point in putting you in the line to clog the line for the 21 million that are trying to adjust their status and get a green card? So it just makes sense that green card holders are excluded from the law. This law primarily focuses on family unity, and I'm guessing that there are also I'm not guessing, but there's some other provisions in the law that reverses or allows people that have been deported under the Trump administration rules, people that were deported by the Trump administration, that have a 3 or 10 year, or even some have suggested, don't quote me on this, a permanent bar, that for family unity purposes, this proposal allows those people to petition for a waiver under this bill, and it allows them to return under the family unity umbrella. The details haven't been ironed out yet, but you can rest assured that the final version will not be this extensive. I call this version "Let My People Go" because it covers everybody. If I had to guess, my guess would be that the DACA will go first. The DACA covers individuals that were brought to the United States by their parents under the age of 18 years through no fault of their own, were brought into the United States, and it basically provides a temporary status for them to get employment authorization and the ability to travel back and forth, and that's about it. They don't have a green card, they can't vote. I mean, obviously you can't vote if you don't have if you're not a citizen, but the benefit is limited for DACA holders. But I believe the way to move forward is probably to start with the DACA holders and or the dreamers, and the DACA and the dreamers can get green cards and a pathway to citizenship, and then we'll push for the rest after that. But we've been waiting for about 11 years now, and nobody has received anything. If the DACA had received theirs 8 years ago, we won't be talking about 21 million. We'll be talking about much less than that. But that is my commentary. Like I said, this channel is for information and entertainment purposes only. Smash the like, subscribe, leave your questions and comments below, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.